Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to make template on Asana. So first click on customize button. So now customize section is open. You can see there are multiple options, but we will go down. Just scroll down, you can see this is the option task templates. Under this add task template is available. Just click here. Now what we need to do, just type the template name, like I am typing random name my template for projects. So finally under this you can assign it your own name, like I have added my name. Now you can also add date, task due in. You can also add this start and due dates. Now you can also add the projects you want to use on these templates, like I have added Elon Musk. You can also add dependencies. Now I am typing the priority high. You can also add the status you want to add. You can also customize it, like I am typing one, save template. Now you can select the status according to your choice. You can also add the description, like I am typing the random description here. Hi, this template is created. You may use it. You can also change the color. You can bold, italic, and all the change the fonts option is available in this section. So after adding the complete description, now click on tasks. Now you can see our description is added. You can also add subtasks, like you can also add all these options here. So now click on done. So now you can see we have simply created our template. So in this way you can make your template on Asana.